Welcome to another video from Yenkna PCs. This time we're going to look at Alexa blueprints to write your own skill. Let's get to it. We're at the blueprint screen. Click sign in. Type your username and password and hit sign in. Find out which blueprint that you want and click it. Click make your own. Type what you need and hit name your new skill. And click create skill and you should be done. This is just a tutorial on how to create your own skills using the Blueprints app. I hope you found this video educational. Please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and catch you later.